My name is Modestus from the University of Vienna.
And I'm Nada, and today we're doing the soil infiltration test. The reason we're doing this is to see how water infiltrates soil when it rains, and that's important because this way water rinses out contaminants from the soil, and we just want to know how fast it is going to reach the aquifer that is underneath. So for this, we're using a double ring infiltrometer.
Yeah, and the reason why we are using double ring infiltrometer is to get the vertical flow.
This way, we prevent water from spreading horizontally from the inner ring outside, because we are only interested in knowing the vertical flow. Now we can measure the volume of water that infiltrates into the soil per second. First, we measured the diameter of the inner ring. And this way we can calculate the volume that is moving into the soil. Here we have another meter on the ring, and every 20 seconds we read how much water moved into the soil. And this way we calculate the rate of infiltration, so it is expressed in volume per time, and this way we know how fast the rain goes into the soil.